So welcome everybody. I hope you're all well. I don't know how you're feeling about COVID at the moment. Lots of people still seem to be very stressed out about it. Um, so I have put on this course, Keeping Calm During COVID. We've run it once. This is the second time we're going to run it. So if you're in Baines, you can get this course for free. It's on Fridays, 11 to 12:30. And we'll be covering different breathing techniques to help calm and settle the body. And even though this is called Keeping Calm During COVID, even if you're not stressed out because of COVID, but you're just feeling stressed and a little anxious and you want a technique or techniques to help you feel more relaxed and less stressed out, then have a think about doing this Keeping Calm During COVID course. So Julie here, she said this course was very useful and very interesting. And Francis said this course has made me realise the importance of taking care of me. Each week we'll be introducing different breathing techniques, and we'll also be talking about the importance of self-care and I've lost my screen. Self-care and how to feel stronger during challenging times. So if you feel called to this, do visit my website, Sandhya, SANDHYA, coil, COYLE.org, and you will find the details on there. So the next course is on the 23rd of April until the 28th of May. Thank you so much. If you've got any questions, pop them in the comment box below or send me a message. Take care. Bye-bye.